Alright, Module 4, a step-by-step tutorial for setting up a web push campaign. Here I'll explain what settings and targeting options you can use in Rich Push. Destination URL. Here you type or copy-paste the URL of your landing page. A question of critical importance is to use macros. You need to be able to filter non-performing traffic sources. Click this link to see all available macros to use. A web push title should be 30 symbols maximum. A message, maximum 45 symbols. A notification icon, the size is 192 by 192 pixels. Main image, the size is 492 by 328 pixels. By clicking Add Creative, you can add another push creative to the campaign. And you can have up to 10 different creatives in one campaign. If you want to change the image or text in another creative, simply just click Duplicate and then change text or images in the creative that you just copied.